this week's recipe, we're going to be cooking up some pheasant with cream and mushrooms. So to start, I'm going to remove the breast meat from the bird. I'm also going to remove the legs and the wings just to break it down to make it easier for cooking. So I'm going to set the breast meat aside. The legs are easily removed just by dislocating the joint and then just cutting them away from the carcass. Now in a large pot, I'll melt down a big knob of butter, put in the wings, the legs and the rest of the carcass, rotate them around just to really brown them off and caramelise them. Into the pot, I add some garlic, a bit of rosemary, a sprinkle of salt, a splash of white wine, and then I'm going to put in enough boiling water to cover the entire carcass. Throw the lid on and let that boil away for about an hour. I'm going to season the breast meat and place that into a medium pan for a couple of minutes on each side, and take the breast meat out and allow it to rest. Next I'm going to prepare the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to slice up some mushrooms. During this I'll remove the carcass from the boiling water, set that aside, and into the same pot with that stock that we've just made, I'm going to throw in our potatoes for mashing later. So I go finely over the carcass, stripping away all the meat, either with a fork or just using your fingers, then roughly chop it up. Now onto a pan, bit of melted butter, I throw in the mushrooms, brown them off a little bit of garlic and rosemary, then I'm going to throw in that chopped up pheasant meat. Another little splash of wine, bit of stock, which we're currently cooking the potatoes in, wee sprinkle of brown sugar, and then to finish, good dollop of cream. I slice up the breast meat and I'll toss that through right at the end, just before we're ready to serve. Now onto a pan with a little bit of butter and a splash of the stock. I'll cook up some Brussels sprouts and serve them with the pheasant on the mashed potatoes. Enjoy.